Hi, this is Scott and welcome to your virtual video walk around here at Sunset Ford. This is the 2016, the Ford F150. Stock number is 7436. Now take notice of this F150, the exterior condition. We're going to show you completely the exterior and the interior. Take notice, no dings, no dents, absolutely flawless. So we'll make our way around to the rear. You notice this vehicle is fully equipped, tow package, and much, much more. Taking a look inside the bed. So we make our way around. Don't forget, this is the home of the warranty protection for life and oil changes for life for every purchase of a vehicle here at Sunset Ford. Notice the interior, rear, ample legroom, and making our way in the interior front side. You're going to see it's fully loaded. Rear backup camera, GPS, power windows, locks, cruise tilt, fully loaded, and priced to sell. So do me a favor on this F-150 XLT. Call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down and see what everybody's talking about right here at Sunset Ford. Make it a great day.